Yo, what's up, potatoes? For the folks who are watching me for the first time, my name is Krishna. This is my second channel where I upload reactions and vlogs. But in my main channel, I usually upload skits, parodies, spoofs. So I'll drop the link in the description. Please go and check. Yeah, in this video, I'm gonna react to PSY. I love it. What is that? M/V. I don't know. Let's see. Hope this won't be like New Phase or another Gangnam Style or Gentleman. I heard couple of songs of PSY. Gangnam Style was like it was like a very huge, highly popular song. So let's see how this song goes. Here we go. That's kind of McDonald's font. Whoa! Oh yeah! Whoa! Okay. I'm just reading the subtitles. I love it. I love it. Yeah. I love it. I love it. The moves are good, man. He's a great dancer. I know. Desham, baby. I got a friend named called Kenna Desham. Vietnamese. I love it. I love it. I love it. This move is catchy, man. I love it. Let me try this. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's counting the views, huh? Okay. How about that? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You're already a billionaire, man. Wow. I love it. The song is good. After watching Psy's Gangnam Style, I cannot say it reached that level, but it reached my expectation. So I was just hoping like kind of the same thing from him. So this is a good video, and yeah, I've also reacted to another video called New Face. So please go and check out that reaction too. So hopefully that would be a good reaction for you guys. And if you really enjoyed this video, please hit the smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe because I usually upload the reaction videos like each and every day and almost every day. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace.